You can do it with your feet varied like that or stacked on top of each other, but stacked on top of each other is really hard.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that doing just a few minutes of planks every day can significantly improve your core strength and stability? It's one of the simplest yet most effective exercises you can do right at home. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia, which accelerated my unknown hereditary ataxia. Welcome back to living with ataxia.
Well, what you're going to do is you're going to get like in a push-up position. So feet about hip width. If you need more stability, you can have them wider. Feet about hip width. Hands directly under your shoulders. Hands directly under your shoulders now. All right. Walk up a little more. Look a little forward a little more. Right there. Right there. You want a straight line, head to toe. And what I always tell people is, it sounds counterintuitive. Just focus on your breathing. You don't want your hips to sink. You don't want them to stick up in the air. You're just holding a straight line, head to toe. You're timing yourself. You want to add a little something to it? Stay just like that. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. So basically, you let your chest sink, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Now push them apart. Now keep doing that, back and forth. Don't move your whole body there, just the shoulder blades. It's hard to do that, isn't it? Without moving the rest of your body. All right, now we're going to do one. You just did the regular plank. Now let's do the regular bridge. People getting confused. Plank is on the hands. Bridge is on the forearms. Still the same form. Feet about hip width apart. Elbows right on the shoulder. Straight line head to toe. Just maintain that position. Hips up more. More. Right there. Good. Now we're going to do a side plank. So get in a regular plank position. Right? Now, you're going to rotate to one side. One hand's still going to be flat on the ground. The other hand is going to be pointed toward the ceiling. You can have your feet varied like that, but go to the side of your foot. The side of your foot.
It's hard.
It is hard, but you can do it. Point that arm straight toward the ceiling. You're going back straight toward the ceiling, like where you're looking. Raise the arm higher. More. Right there. Yeah. That's what you want to do. That's what you're looking for. You can do it with your feet varied like that or stacked on top of each other, but stacked on top of each other is really hard because it's less balance. All right, now go to the other side. So go back to regular plank. Do the other side. Get that hand straight up toward the ceiling.
It's super hard.
I got you, but that's how you get better. That's how we've gotten better at everything. All right, stop. All right, now we're going to do a different plank. Some people call it dynamic. It's just a side-to-side switch. That's what you're doing. So you're rotating side to side. So you get in a regular plank position. Hands directly on your shoulders. Feet hip width apart. Straight line, head to toe. Now try to rotate side to side. And it's not a big move. Yeah, basically you're rocking side to side on your feet. It's not a big move. You're still trying to keep straight line, head to toe. But you'll definitely feel it in the abs and the obliques for sure. Keep that butt up. Don't let yourself drop. That's good right there. Another one. This one, it's a regular plank with leg lifts, but you're going to keep the leg locked at the knee, toes curled up like this. Not pointed, toes curled up. And you're going to lift your legs up as high as you can get them. It's not a very big movement. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Hands directly under your shoulders, feet hip width apart. Now, it's like marching. Legs straight, alternate lifting the legs. Yeah. You can either do it for time or you could do a prescribed number of reps. However you want to do it. That's good right there.
Incorporating plank exercises into your routine can significantly boost your fitness levels right from the comfort of your home. You don't need any special equipment or a gym membership, all you need is your own body weight and a bit of motivation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workout ideas.